Hey guys, in this video, I will be showing you guys how to make the smallest avatar for free. So you need to get the Kid Nezha bundle, and to do that, you need to join this game and follow what I do. Now all you need to do is walk up to the Kid Nezha and touch it to claim it. Now follow what I do to make the avatar. And there you go. You are now done. This is how the avatar looks in-game compared to normal avatars. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.